Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a very interesting chapter about a small child whose name is Charlie. Now, children, you imagine the situation that you are sleeping at a night. All of a sudden, your mother comes up and says that you have won a lottery, you have won a ticket to Disneyland, or you have won a ticket to chocolate factory. What is this chocolate factory? Suppose there is a factory and chocolate is flowing in rivers. The boat is of chocolate, the person are chocolates, and everything you can just take it and eat, and you can get gifts of chocolate for years. You have been given exciting prizes and wonderful things. How would you like it? Would you like it or not? Would you not enjoy it? That lottery ticket you get. So you will be happy to go out there. Yes or no? तुम्हें अगर ऐसा लॉटरी टिकट मिलेगा तो तुम लोग वहाँ जाओगे नहीं? कितना मज़ा आएगा. You will enjoy it ना. So the chapter we are going to read is the fifth golden ticket. So before starting the chapter, let us first come on the main characters of the story. Charlie Burst, 11-year age 11 year. Mr. Bucket is the father of Charlie. Mrs. Bucket is the mother of Charlie. Grandpa Joe. Now there are 4 old people in the house. 2 maternal side, 2 paternal side. Means एक नाना नानी and दादा दादी. Okay. 2 maternal grandparents and 2 paternal grandparents. And out of one was Grandpa Joe. He was the grandfather of Charlie. वो उसके दादा थे. Okay. Charlie के Grandpa Joe. Mr. Wonka is the owner of the chocolate factory, the same chocolate factory where Charlie Burst will be going. But how we will read, let us start now. This chocolate factory is the huge factory whose owner is Mr. Wonka, and he has given opportunity to only 5 people who can come to the factory, only 5 people. Now offer he has released that you buy the chocolate, and this chocolate you will get a coupon, a golden ticket, and whoever gets the golden ticket can come to the chocolate factory. So only 5 special people are allowed. Now imagine, children, if this would be a real thing, you are one of the 5, then how would you have feel when you got a golden chance, golden ticket? So what happened in this story? This Charlie got 2 chocolates, and in one chocolate he actually got the golden ticket. And what number was put in the in that? 5. That means the last golden ticket that Charlie got. Now as soon as Charlie released that is a golden ticket, he felt so happy. He ran to his home. He started shouting, "Mom, Mom, look what happened." By that time, what was Mom doing? She was giving soup to old grandparents. He was least interested. Then again he gets shouting, "See, I got this golden ticket. I got this last golden ticket." And when he said these things for a while, 10 seconds, everyone was absolute silent in the room. सब कोई पूरा चुप सन्नाटा हो गया 10 सेकंड के लिए जब वो बोला कि मुझे गोल्डन टिकट मिला है. और रियली यू गॉट द 5 गोल्डन टिकट. दे वर नॉट एबल टू बिलीव. विश्वास नहीं कर रहे थे. सो दिस ग्रैंडपा, चार्ली, यू आर मेकिंग फन, यू आर पुलिंग आवर लेग्स, राइट, यू आर डूइंग ए जॉक. तो उसके ग्रैंडफादर जो ने क्या कहा? तुम हम लोग से मजाक कर रहे हो. You are doing a joke with us. Then Charlie said, No, Grandpa, you see, this ticket, it is in my hand. This is the real golden ticket that I got. Now Grandpa was confused. He picked up the ticket and he bought it little close because old people have an eyesight problem. Okay, he bought close to his nose to the ticket. He was as close as to his nose. And then he said, Yes, it is a golden ticket. Now, when the family members came to know, Mrs. Bucket, old grandpa, and the three old people, when they get to know, they were very happy and rather grandpa was wearing pajama. He was having a soup in his hand and he got so happy that his bowl of soup went flying into the face of grandma Josephine. उसके मुंह पे वो बाउल सूप का बाउल फेंक दिया उसकी दादी के मुंह पे. ओके, and he started dancing and celebrating. Now he was telling cheers for Charlie, hip hip hooray. Now Charlie has done amazing job. So the family was just enjoying, and at the point the door opened and Mr. Bucket has entered the house. उसके पापा रूम में आए, Mr. Bucket. Okay, and he is very tired. He has done lot of work. Mr. Bucket is the father of Charlie. Now he says, why are you making lot of noise? What has happened? What had happened? Then the family tells entire story to him, and now he is also very happy. Now he is saying, oh my God, this is such a good opportunity for us. Now everybody is happy and a lot of discussion takes place. बहुत सारा डिस्कशन वो लोग करने लगते हैं, सब कोई खुश है. Now along with the ticket there is a invitation which is also attached with the ticket. तो टिकट के साथ क्या होता है, वहाँ पर इनविटेशन कार्ड भी दिया हुआ है. Everybody asked Mr. Bucket to read the invitation. Now in the invitation Mr. Wonka had written that congratulations to the person who is receiving this ticket. Now there are few things that I want you to know. The first thing is, when you will enter to the factory, I will take you to the tour of the factory and myself will take you. Come along with me and we will visit different parts of the factory. Along with that, I am going to give you a lot of food. Expanded thing I am going to give you. Also, when you will come back from the factory, escorted home by a procession of trucks, means you will be asked to sit in a truck. You have seen the politician come, everybody is giving them mala, everybody is shouting their names. Okay, नेताजी जिंदाबाद ऐसे चिल्लाते हैं ना, वैसे यहाँ पर चार्ली चार्ली जिंदाबाद, चार्ली जिंदाबाद, ऐसे ही उसका शाउटिंग नेम उसको दिया जाएगा. ओके, प्रोसेसन करके लाया जाएगा. Mr. Wonka had written once, you will leave the factory, you will not go by foot, you will be asked to sit in a truck and there will be a proper rally or procession. Everybody will be shouting their names. All one of the condition was that you can take only 1 or 2 members along with you so that they can control you, because he was only 11 years old. तो अलाउ किए हैं कि बच्चे अगर आएंगे तो उनके साथ फैमिली के 1 या 2 मेंबर आ सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर बच्चा बदमाशी किया तो कौन संभालेगा उनको. ओके, ही कैन डू समथिंग रॉन्ग ऑल्सो. सो मिस्टर वोंका हैड रिटन only 1 or 2 person from the family members allowed come to the factory. Now, and the last important thing was that the chocolate factory was open on the first day of February, and only in that day you can get the chance to take this golden ticket as enter inside the factory. Now Mrs. Bucket cried, "First Feb, today is 31st January. That means tomorrow we have to go this much. How will arrange?" One more thing was that I forgot to tell you that This golden ticket was something like it will work for years. Suppose मतलब 1 साल तक ये जो टिकट है काम करेगा. Whatever food Mr. Wonka had given from the factory, it is lost. If it is lost, or if it is means there is a limit for the food. Okay, you will eat. If you don't have any food, मतलब सब खा के ख़त्म कर दो जो भी. तो Mr. Wonka told clearly that you will be able to take this. So you just show this golden ticket and get the food. So every time you will be getting the food, that means he will means he is already got everything. Means when वो जब भी टिकट दिखाएगा उसको वो फूड मिलता रहेगा 1 साल तक. Understood? He doesn't have to do anything. He just have to show the golden ticket and will get the food. But the time was very short. Tomorrow they had to go to. They got the invitation. The grandfather was like, now do this, do that. Mrs. Bucket said, don't you over excite, and don't make Charlie nervous. And first thing is, who is going to go with Charlie to the factory? There are so many people in the house. So the grandfather was so excited. I will go. Grandfather ने बोला मैं जाऊँगा with the Charlie, so that I can take care of him. मैं उसका देखभाल करूँगा ना, वहाँ पर मैं जाऊँगा. Now Mrs. Bucket, don't you think you are old? And then she looks at Mr. Bucket. You are the father of the child. तो वो उसको बोलती है उसके दादा मतलब चार्ली के दादा को, आप तो बहुत बूढ़े हो, आप कैसे जाओगे? तो वो मिस्टर बकेट मतलब वो चार्ली के फादर को बोलती है, आप तो उसके फादर हो, आपको जाना चाहिए. आई थिंक यू शुड गो. सो मिस्टर बकेट, yes, I think I should go, but one person who truly deserves to go with Charlie is grandpa. वो ही जा सकते हैं, दादा उसके जा सकते हैं. So let's grandpa go. I think I should go, but one person who truly deserves to go with Charlie is grandpa. तो grandpa को ही जाना चाहिए. Okay, so let's grandpa go with all. Will stay here at home. Now everything is been decided. They are packing his bag, they are making him dress up. So automatically what happened, they checked that media is at their home. मीडिया उनके घर पे आ चुकी थी. There are only 5 tickets and one of the ticket has been given to Charlie. So it became a news. Charlie got famous and the media people came and started the interview. How did they get the chocolate? How did you get the golden ticket? This and that. So this is how the story of simple 11-year boy from middle class family of a normal family became the top of the town. So everybody, all the news channel were talking about Charlie, and finally Charlie and Grandpa Joe went to the factory. So this was the story of 5th golden ticket by Roald Dahl. So understood, students? Thank you.